Okay, so now we have financial freedom. What is financial freedom to you guys? I know on YouTube we had someone that was saying that financial freedom is me going to buy. They will give me the money scenario. So what do you guys think that financial freedom is?
Passive income.
Passive income.
Okay, passive income, right? So now when you're looking at passive income, right, you're looking at money that is actually coming on a monthly basis and you don't actually need to work, right? Remember, we also need a management company for us to be able to separate ourselves from that particular property. So now, I've been using 10,000 baht, right? Let's just add another zero. You're looking at getting paid 100,000 on a monthly basis, right? Your expenses are at 100,000. So now if you're looking at this 100,000 and you're thinking that I want to become financially free, it means that I need passive income that will amount to this 100,000. So now once I reach that 100,000, then officially I'm financially free. So now this 100,000 is going to be different for me, it's going to be different for Neo.
Yeah.
Right? Neo's expenses might be at 1 million per month, and my expenses might be at 100,000. So now I need to be gunning for this 100,000. So now this is the task that I'm actually going to give to you, right? So now just put all of your expenses down, list all of your expenses, put a price to it. Put a price to your, I think on your bank statement you can actually get the direct amount that you actually need. Put down all of your expenses. After putting down all of your expenses, you'll then find out that, okay, on a monthly basis, what I basically need is 15,000. So now what do I do with this 15,000? I basically buy properties that will actually be giving me a positive cash flow that will amount to this 15,000. Then this 15,000 will only be used, the one that I'm getting paid. Then the 15,000 that I'm getting paid on a monthly basis, this will then be used only to buy properties. Then the 15,000 that you're actually getting on a monthly basis will be the property that will actually sustain your lifestyle. Why is that? If you do get fired and this gets cut off, what then happens? You need to move back home. You need to sell that and trade. You need to sell all of your assets, right? But now, if you have passive income that amounts to this 15,000, you can then still be comfortable in your place. It's just that this 15,000 won't be there. So now, that is what financial freedom is.
Okay. So I'd actually like to put this into perspective for everybody. If you have a paper there, just write down how much. I'm going to pick on you because you gave us the definition of financial freedom. Write down how much do you think you'll need in terms of financial freedom if you were to be financially free. How much do you think you'll need? Must I read it out? 33. Okay. There we go. We've got 36,000. 36,000. So 36,000 on a monthly basis. That's a great number. It's a great number. So now the question is, we've got 36,000. Now the question is, how am I going to get to the 36,000 so that we hit the 36,000? So the first task will be, you look at the type of properties that you want to invest in. Which types are you interested in? Your apartments or your sectional title, your houses?
Yeah, standalone.
Standalones, okay. And then are you looking at multi-let in terms of, you're looking at flat lets behind, you're also looking at that, do you have a particular place in mind? Because now what we're doing, I want to make a practical example how to align all your goals to get to that, because at the end of the day, if you just have this 36,000 and you don't know how to get to it, it's just another number. So now we've got 36,000 and we know that you're interested in multi-lets. So your single house, your standalone house with flat lets. So everybody should do this so that you know that you are moving towards a desired goal. And then now, how much, okay, the area that you're looking at. Which area are you looking at?
Should I guess?
Yes, which area when you are?
Let's say East Rand.
East Rand. How much are we looking at in terms of one room? One flatlet?
One flatlet. Oh, then I have to calculate in order to...
Yeah, don't worry, I'll assist you.
Get to this.
We've got mathematicians aside.
Let's say if I have the main house.
Yes.
Now, let's say we have 5 lets.
Main house, right?
Yeah.
Main house, and then we've got flatlets.
Yeah.
Okay, let's just do a practical example there. Main house, how much do they usually rent about in East Rand?
Let's say 3,500.
3,500. There we go. 3,500. And then your flatlet.
Let's say 1,500.
You're realistic again. I was sitting with people telling them that, as a property investor, when you are renting, you just want a house to rent in, you're like, no, I don't want to spend. But when you want people to rent by you, you're like, they'll pay 5,000. That's the thing about property investors, Joe. So let's look at this thing practically looking at it.
Yeah.
Flatlet, how much?
1,500.
1,500, okay? Can we just say we've got 4 here?
Yeah.
We've got 4. So 1,500 times 4 is 6K. Is it? It's 6. No, after break, my mind switches on. We're looking at 6,000, yeah? And then 4 plus 3.5. That should be 9,500, right? Right? I told you guys after break, 9,500. Eh? Then this is our total income that we're looking at, 9,500. Now we need to factor in all our expenses. How much will be your expenses? Your bond, let's look at bond. Are you buying it cash or bond? Bond. Let's look at a house. How much do they range about if we're looking at the price? The price list. 800, 900?
800.
800K. 800K. Koli. 800K bond, 100%.
About 8,000.
8,000. 1, 2, 3, okay. 8K. Now I'm bringing the practicality of property investing to you.
Oh, it's a loss.
No, it's not a loss. So these are my. You're potentially right. You're potentially right. You're potentially right. So now looking at it from this, I'm gonna say 9.5 minus 8. I'm left with 1.5.
Yeah.
But here's the thing: when you're looking in township investing, we're not looking at levies. Rates and taxes, 300.
Yeah.
Insurance range is about 300. Hence we're using 300 every time.
Yeah.
600. So 1.5 minus 600. How much is that? 900. No, don't worry. I'm getting to your financial freedom. You said it's 36, right?
Yeah.
So I'm going to tell you the exact number of houses to get to here. By doing what? 36,000 divided by 900. 36,000 divided by 900. 4. It can't be 4. 40. There we go. This is how you actually get to your desired goal. This is what's going to tell you how long it will take you to get to your desired goal. You're going to merge this with your credit score. So this is what we also do with our clients in terms of every property that you're looking at. How can we sit down with you and get you to that desired goal? Because with property investing, it's that thing, my mind is everywhere. I just want to be a property investor because I heard somebody speak about property investing being nice. As Lewu did mention, it's hard coming to the reality of 900. When you were thinking that financial freedom is 36,000. Guys, we did mention that today it's going to be painful. This presentation and our presentation, it's not about fluff. We want to hit it where it hurts the most. And I was excited when I was speaking to people out there. They're like, hey, you're hitting nerves, Jens. The main purpose is to be realistic about you. How can you start investing in yourself so that we can do property investing right? And this is not a problem. But can we potentially get better deals than this to get you here faster? So that's our role, man.